I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. Yeah, I'm like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away, every month and more. Every show I call before, I need to hear that voice, 'cause right now feels like it's
about 3 weeks since I vlogged, maybe 2.5, something like that. Oh boy, lighting, getting lighting. We are off to, let's see if I can remember this, Hamakua. It's a very big area. It's around there. To do some camping and fishing, and I don't know what else because I didn't plan the trip. It's 10:03, so we're leaving a little bit late, but got everything together, packed my backpack up, and we were off. So that's all I'm going to say. Yeah. Please like and subscribe, it helps a lot, and share if you enjoyed.
I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
All of the Big Island? Or?
No.
On
Hilo
this
side,
coast?
This is the nicest. The state.
Yeah, it doesn't look like there's that many rocks to be smashed upon. Like all the other places I've seen people surfing on, there's like rocks.
Oh, big rock.
Yeah.
Well, that's because the reefs are what make the big waves.
Oh, so the waves that they want are caused by the big
Are
rock.
on top of, yeah, really nasty reefs.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's why I'm going to Maui to surf. I've heard those beaches are calmer.
They are. They're sandier.
We were just here for the bathrooms. We were just here for the bathrooms. We took some pictures because I was inspired. And now we're off. After much deliberation and searching on Google Maps, we finally we think we found the spot. We're not sure because it's closed off, but we shall see soon. How are we going to carry all of this stuff down?
That's the thing with guys.
Oh, they're going to carry it down?
Yes.
Nice.
Well, yeah, you backpack. Thank God you have a backpack. That's exactly what you're thinking.
Yeah.
No,
Well, like
that's
some
just
of it's
what
like in
guys think.
pan.
You're like, oh, you know, we're
I kind of thought we
Yeah.
should have brought the four-wheeler. Because then we could have taken it down with four-wheeler. So is his track up? What? He's right there. We were waiting for him. Woo! We have the key. We go down in style. This is why you tour alone and get jobs for random people. Because they'll take you down. They know the spots. It's got a ball.
I thought there was something wrong with this truck. Like if you're on a hill,
Yeah.
it will roll back. I've never been in an automatic that rolls back.
No, it stays.
No, it rolls back and it goes click, 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 click. So I had them drive it with me. 'cause
Yeah.
they didn't- and he says, oh, that's a safety feature to tell you to push on the gas faster.
A safety feature?
The click, click, click,
How is that
click,
a
click,
safety feature if it's rolling backwards? Exactly.
Well, I'm sorry to give Toyota that little bad.
Ford.
I love Toyota.
Fords don't roll backwards on hills. And I drove my Ford in snow and ice. Like for how far did I drive? I drove up to Kentucky somewhere, so like a 2-hour drive or something like that through snow and ice without chains, and made it perfectly fine. So ha, Ford. following me and it stresses me out. Definitely going to get some pictures. That was cool. My tent under the wings. That was cool. Can you help me up? Come on. There you go. Yep. I'm excited. I love this graffiti too. Gorgeous. Look at this. And there we go. We have this entire overhang all to ourselves. So added in the list of places to creatively put my camera for a phone. I put my phone for a picture. Booyah. It is like, it is hanging on nothing. But it worked. I got a cute picture. Hello. Booyah. We've got marshmallows and graham crackers and Reese's and Hershey's. Yay. And we forgot biscuits at home, so we got biscuits.
We got biscuits.
And salad and bread and eggs. So we forgot a lot of things. Always put things back. Okay, so we are back from the grocery store. And I'm going to take the trail down because it looks like a fun trail. It looks like a steep, hard trail, but a fun trail. It looks like this. So, we stopped at McDonald's, got a little something something. I kind of need to go to the bathroom, so actually I'm going to go pee while there's nobody here, so I will talk to you guys later. So pretty. Oh look, there's steps and everything. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I'm trying to remember to point the camera at me. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed the footage that I got today. I took a break for about 3 weeks. Not purposefully, just did stop filming. Wasn't feeling I think it makes me feel like, not necessarily self-conscious, but just, it feels a little narcissistic to expect people to watch video footage of me doing normal things. But then I realized that when I did a video that's like nicer, and it was my first reel, I did my first reel on Instagram, even though it was more like what I want to make, like it was nicer, it also was, it made my life look pretty, and my life is normal, and life in Hawaii is normal. So I want to normalize it, and I realized the vlogs are doing that, a much better job of that than if I was to make the vlogs all nice and pretty. So because of that, I'm back to doing the vlogs, and I'm feeling good about them. The steps are now gone, and now we are down to the treacherous terrain. But we're almost there, and it looks so great. Beautiful. I wish. Focus. Nice, okay. That is all, ladies and gentlemen. Ha. I beat her down. There she is. Big mighty Toyota, my foot. Slowpoke. Slowpoke.
How are you doing? I'm backed up.
Oh, sure. We are now in the truck. We're backpacking. I'm backpacking? We're backing up. Apparently the shelter that we're on, the like cement that it's on, is actually the roof of the old building that used to be here, so, and you can go underneath, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. Go underneath. Look at this, it's gorgeous. I would stop. You trying to do that?
Right. But thank you. We really
Pretty
appreciate
cool, huh?
Yeah, the arms are huge. Is that a male?
I will find out when we cut them open.
Oh.
When you cut it open, you find out?
You see the eggs.
Oh.
But it didn't look like she has eggs. They would already be, they lay their eggs before they die.
Love how interested Moo is in this. When we were down there this afternoon, he picked one up and ran with it.
Yeah.
We were like, Moo, come back!
Okay, babe.
Ooh, so we're gonna eat prawns tonight.
Here's a good one.
I wish I was as brave as you.
Yeah, so I think pinches him back. They're dead already?
No, they're just lazy.
Huh?
They're just lazy.
See that one swimming? Okay,
Yeah.
he's still going, but like this one is getting close. They start turning red when they're about to die. And they turn red when they die, like lobster.
Oh, really?
Oh, I didn't know lobster turns red when it dies.
Oh yeah, they're that color.
They're like white or clear.
They're about like that, like a sandy, dirty color.
Yeah.
All right.
Moo, what you got?
Oh, you can eat that bitch.
Let him eat it.
Let him eat it. Oh.
Movie time.
Why all this stuff?
Oh, there's a lot in here, Lee.
You gonna cook them all?
Yeah.
Like that.
And so this was going to be for garbage.
Okay, that's
Oh, that's the best part.
Where are we
for
putting
guys.
the-
I don't know. We've never. So what I do is I suck them out of here.
Well, we can't do that if he wants the meat.
So your tent passed the waterproof test?
Yep. And I don't have it staked all the way out.
Oh,
Those
that's
eggs?
right.
Oh, there's eggs.
Oh,
There's caviar.
it's still good. I just normally try to shake the eggs off in the creek, but it's fine. They're already cooked.
That's really good. All packed up and ready to leave. Do you know the name of this trail?
Onomea Bay Trail.
Onomea
Bay Trail.
Bay Trail.
Onomea.
Onomea Bay Trail. Onomea Bay Trail. We're gonna eat and then go.
That's tuna fishing.
We saw, what was it called? Aka Trail? Aka Falls? Akaka.
Yeah.
Akaka. But they were charging $5 a person.
Oh, are you?
Yes. Hey, when I started, you weren't there. You came over here, you know. You stepped into my shot.
Okay, aloha.
Akaka.
Maybe this.
Anyways, and it was pouring down rain, so. And I'll probably want to do it with a zip line, so. Or a helicopter. But I feel like zip line would be more fun.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
That was nice.
I don't know my own strength.
What's cool about this is
Stay.
some rich guy bought this whole area
Yeah.
Come on.
and
Boy.
turned it into a preservation. So that's why it's not developed at all.